Morning guys, gagawa tayo ng sandwich. Babaunin namin, punta kami ng park. Dali namin sa park si Georgie. Less gastos, gasolina lang. So, kasi hindi kayanin pag lagi labas pera. Okay. Gawan ko lang ng ham sandwich, tapos nag-boiled egg ako. Oh. Yung sa akin, tapos kay Mister. Ay, gawan ko na lang siya ng ng egg sandwich. Tanungin ko siya, baka gusto din niya ng ham. Kasi maraming ham ba kailangan gamitin. So, dahil hindi matuloy ang ating labas, guys, maglinis na lang ako ng ng banyo. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, nilipat na Mister yung empty bottle na perfume. Tapos, yung iba, nilagay ko dito para hindi masikip yung lagayan ng pabango ko. Kasi puno ba? So, pero iniisip ko, kasi pag mainit, baka masira yung amoy. Yeah, just two sweeteners, please. So, pag maglinis na yung banyo, no, kailangan talaga gapangin. Parang relaxation ko to eh. Pag nasa bahay ako, pag naumpisahan ko talaga maglinis, talagang as in. Pulido ba? I mean, todo ang linis, todo. Oh, super windy today.
The rest of that can wait.
Yeah, but I need to put second batch of washing.
Yeah. You've got time to drink your coffee first.
Yeah, I'm going up.
So
Linis na. Ayan, break time muna. So, tinimplahan tayo ng kape ni Mister. Tapos meron tayo natirang biko. Marinda muna. Pag mag-deep clean ako guys, ang tagal ko talaga matapos. Parang isang oras ako naglinis dun sa Ewan ko bang bagal ko maglinis. Ayaw kasi yung maglinis ka yung hindi pulido ba. Okay lang yung pahapyaw, yung mag-vacuum lang, ganyan-ganyan. Pero pag mag-deep clean talaga, kailangan kasulok-sulukan. Yung mga mancha, tanggalin. Yeah. Tapos si Georgie, natusan ko mag-sort out ng mga gamit niya.
Don't keep pile.
Ayan. Don't keep. So she wants to let go. That one. So that one, let go? You wanna let go all that stuff?
Not yet. I'm still sorting it out.
Ah, okay. Where are you? So she decided not to go anywhere. And she wants to stay in the house. So she's gonna sort out her stuff. Change the beddings. Pero ako magpapalit ng beddings. No, hindi siya. Kasi mabigat. So, toys, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, put all the toys, then pick which one you're gonna keep and give away, yeah? Yeah, right. If you're hungry, just come down because your food is already on the table. Because I prepared the snack to take, but because we're not going out, you're still gonna have that for lunch na lang, okay?
Okay.
Alright, love you.
Me too.
You want to play music?
Yes, please.
Oh, your phone is downstairs. Dahil nagpa-music si Georgie, I guarantee, na-distract na yun. Tingnan natin. Hindi na yun hindi na yun nag-aayos ng gamit niya.
The Click.
Ay! Ay, naunsa!
Now it's even easier to sell
get
for free on
distracted.
eBay. I was
Well, I
thinking,
finished.
Ano, I'm finished.
that juicer we've used a grand total of once. Or the shirt I've been saying.
So next, toilet ni Georgie, linisan natin, no? Ayan, kalat. So, ayan. Linis na. Ayan. Now, guys, iripating ko tong ito, tanim. Kasi malago na. Tapos itong poinsettia, maliit yung So, palitan natin yan. Tapos, ay, naglalaro ng bagong game.
3 and a bit.
Okay.
1. See?
No,
I'm under 3. You had 3 and a bit. I'm under 3. So that's 1 to me. So that's 6-3 to Georgie. Right.
you said I had 5.
No, you do.
So, ayan guys, nakaligo na tayo, no? Straight talaga yung ating trabaho. So, after ko naglinis sa toilet ni Georgie, nag-repotting ako ng halaman. Tapos, yun. Upo saglit. So, sinalang ko yung namin, dinner, habang tayo naligo, So, yan muna ang ating video for today, guys. Salamat. Bye-bye.